Hi guys, yes again, it's me, Zach Church. Um, this summer, I'm gonna go camping, and I'm gonna do a video on that soon, and yeah. Got my mustache growing. I got my mustache growing. I'm playing Call of Duty World War, like this, Call of Duty. Level 2, and yeah. I'll stay tonight playing Call of Duty World War 1 until I reach level 15. Good luck on me. And yeah, I'll show you the setup of what I did to my bedroom, okay? So after the script, I'll show you my bedroom. Okay, bye.